Hi, welcome to new video. So please subscribe to my channel teaching team. So in this video, I'm going to share some information about SpeedFan. How does SpeedFan work? So SpeedFan is a freeware system monitoring program for Microsoft Windows which control the fan speed, voltage and temperature. SpeedFan is an incredible software. If you are building your own computer, it will present all the factor as a chart along with an indicator in the system tray. It can also automate your computer cooling cycle using multiple sensors in the CPU, motherboard as well as HDD. Other vitals include voltage and fan speeds can also be done if you want to get all access to your personal computer internal components. And speed fan is the only solution. With this, you can simply monitor the internal functioning and control the fan speed. What is speed fan? So this is the interface of SpeedFan application for Microsoft Windows. SpeedFan is one of the hardware monitor software which is mostly used for Microsoft Windows. The system uses hardware monitoring chips which can be found on every motherboard. The main task of this program is to monitor your computer hardware. With this system, you can monitor your CPU's fan speed, the hard disk and CPU temperature and most of the typical things of your computer. However, through SpeedFan offers the best service, most don't understand how to use SpeedFan on their Windows because of their complexity. How does SpeedFan work? SpeedFan is a system checker which is easily accessible to digital temperature sensors. It can access the SMART info of your computer and then demonstrate the hard disk temperature. The benefit of using the SpeedFan software is that you can change the fan speed through this, but this will be based on the capacity of the sensor chip as well as hardware. Fan speed will change according to the temperature of your computer inside. SpeedFan can efficiently work with several Windows like Windows 7, 8, 10, Windows 60-bit, Vista XP and many more. SpeedFan also supports SI disks which supports your PC to connect with peripheral hardware, for example, disk drive, tape drive, and so many things. It can control and monitor the temperature of the computer component from several sources. This monitoring system can enter digital temperature sensor and change the speed while adjusting the parameters of the fan speed. Make sure you set them with your hand. Thus, this can reduce the noise of the fan. If you don't notice any noise in the exact fan, set the speed as the minimum for this one. For a conscious, you can use the level of 100 as a maximum, otherwise the fan will create noise, but at this point you can reduce the speed to 90 to 95. When the temperature is increasing, the application will automatically multiply the fan speed to 100. It does not matter what maximum speed you have chosen for the fan. Finally, a word on the use fans X list box. My computer temperature changes more than 1 degree. When a fan operates faster, you can specify which fan each temperature should use. How to change fan speed on Windows. The majority of motherboards have the BIOS capability for regulating fan speed. The method for accessing BIOS on the computer starting vary depending on the motherboard manufacturer. You can look up how to enter BIOS using your laptop model or motherboard manufacturer name. To access BIOS, most systems utilize the function keys such as F2 or F3 or F10 or del. After entering BIOS, you will find a menu of configuring the fan speed. However, modifying the BIOS setup is dangerous, so before making any changes, read the documentation thoroughly. You can also increase or decrease the CPU fan speed from the advanced power option of your Windows operating system. This advanced power system has one of the system cooling policy, which is a subsection of it. From this system, you can activate this option, which will accelerate the CPU cooler fan. Is speed fan capable of causing computer damage? You are tampering with your computer cooling system, and if you are not careful, your hardware might be damaged. Furthermore, remember that speed fan does not support all computers, so not all will able to use it to manage this. However, it's quite beneficial when it works.